Snoring is a very common symptom, especially in men, but it should not be seen as something normal, especially when associated with breathing stopping and starting during sleep. Your partner may suffer from obstructive sleep apnea syndrome. If you snore, watch out for these other symptoms: drowsiness during the day, periods of insomnia, restless sleep and multiple visits to the bathroom during the night, waking up with a dry mouth or feeling that sleep has not been restful, irritability and difficulty concentrating during the day. Even if your breathing does not stop during sleep, snoring deserves your concern and you should seek specialized help through a sleep consultation. You may have obstructive sleep apnea. This disease increases the risk of having cardiovascular problems, personal or traffic accidents. In addition, it has a negative impact socially and on your personal life. The diagnosis of snoring and obstructive sleep apnea syndrome is made through a sleep test, which your doctor will certainly order. Obstructive sleep apnea is treatable. Treatment includes general actions such as weight reduction and regular exercise. More specific intervention is often necessary, such as using a device while sleeping. Surgical or mandibular advancement prostheses may also be indicated. Talk to your doctor about the best options for you. A CNS Academy Initiative.